Did you pee your pants? Are you okay? I am not a dentist. Hello, you beautiful people. This is me, Michaela. I am back. Today we are dyeing my hair again. I've never dyed my hair orange before, and this one apparently glows in black light, so I'm super excited. My hair's pretty much fucking dead. It's pretty much dead. So we're gonna get my stepdad to cut my hair because hair salons are still not open. So, yeah. Wish me luck. I feel like it looks really good.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
Building frills, man. Contents in the developer cream tube. 1, go.
Only this fast talking makes sense to you. So put this in here. It's just
Ah, Michaela.
Yeah?
Pudgy died.
Why?
Who's Pudgy?
The Awa dog.
We need to do this a little sooner next time.
In the day?
No, before your roof gets a little long.
Oh, I know. Well, I was trying to get the red out naturally.
I know.
You mean pink?
Oh yeah, pink, sorry.
Haha.
Okay.
Silly Michaela.
Doritos with salsa.
With salsa.
Oh, that's what I meant. You knew what I meant.
Mm-hmm.
Your professional sister's coming now and be like, oh my god, this is gonna be judging my work.
She's so aggressive.
She's so aggressive. She gets the job done.
She does.
Whether you like it or not.
Yeah.
Still my favorite part of your hair dyeing video. Ow! Fuck Tegan. Chris never hurts me like that. Well, tell him to come and do it then.
She was so mad. Ow, Tegan, fuck!
Okay, well, what do you want me to do?
I don't know. Chris never hurts me like this.
Yeah, well, he probably does it a different way. You wanted me to do your roots fird. So.
No,
Or
I didn't.
After, sorry.
No, you told me. So this is why I'm here this time.
Wait at the camera.
Oh, cute! Just got Kyle.
What am I?
So we almost got Kyle.
Yeah. Okay, so are we doing the whole hair?
With bleach? No,
Okay.
because I feel like it will fall out.
Transition
Into balding?
into baldness. We can then
Could
paint
do it.
pictures
On my
on your
head.
scalp.
That would be nice.
You could use your scalp as the canvas like Bob Ross.
You're totally too young to even know what that's from.
I don't know.
Is it on your face?
I don't know. It might have been a fluff, but it was the same time as the sound, so I just thought I'd wipe my face just in case.
Wait, you don't want to have
Nope.
Supper is ready.
Yay, let's eat.
Get my
Did you do it already? I was like, oh, you did!
This stuff smells nice.
Does that
Not
smell
like-
like oranges?
Huh?
Does it smell like oranges?
No, I don't know what it smells like, but it always, it's not like your typical hair dye where you're like, ooh, that smells like fucking toxic death. I can smell this all day. Then Shannon's like, ha, look it. She put black and white pictures. Like, oh, guess what color it is. And all the jars are upside down, too.
Like, they kind of look like roller skates at first.
I know, and somebody commented, darn, too bad it's showing a black and white on my screen. It's so orange. That's awesome. Thank you.
It's a full service store.
Spa?
Maybe, look at I don't stop for nobody. She's
No.
trying to yanking on her hair. I need a straw.
Oh, yeah. Would you want me to feed it to you? What the fuck?
It came with my Bubba cup. First thing I did was I'm like, no,
No.
no. Jeez.
See, like, not one pull.
Oh.
You didn't pull my hair once.
It's not over yet.
Can you see that spot right there?
Yeah.
2 hands.
Butts, and I cannot lie. Sorry.
Look at
Could
that.
have had this the whole time. That's why I brought it. Yeah. To use the light.
Oh, we're using her now?
Oh, I hope it stays orange.
You know what color I want to call it?
What? Should I not record?
Tangerine.
I think it's neon tangerine.
Shut the front door.
Yes, yes.
It's so accurate.
I love it so much. 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 I am in love with my hair. There's a couple spots on top that didn't really take because the brown just did not bleach out, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I told everybody at work I was dyeing my hair orange, and they all were kind of like, oh, but I'm like, no, no, no. You're not understanding. Like orange. So far, there's been like no comments. Like normally I get comments like, oh, tomato head or 1D or whatever, but nothing, nothing. Only good ones. I know! And it goes under black light. So we have to do nothing. Oh, it's not orange enough.
No, it's not even close.
Oh my god! It glows under black light! It's so cool! So this is only blue light, but if we ever get the chance to go glow in the dark mini golfing, it's gonna look so cool. I'm so excited. Did you pee your pants? Are you okay? I hope this turns out. Please turn out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Everybody, remember to like this video. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!